As you walk up to the popular Harvard floor plan, you can't help but notice the stunning curb appeal, stone masonry, and a large covered front porch. With over 3,100 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, you'll have plenty of space for the entire family to enjoy. As you walk into this amazing home, you'll find remarkable hardwood floors and soaring vaulted ceilings. The formal study and dining room are right off the foyer next to a stunning curved staircase. You'll feel at home as soon as you walk into the large living space with a wide open layout and our signature custom fireplace. Right next to this spacious living room is a gourmet kitchen with a large chef's island, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, handcrafted cabinetry, and breakfast nook to start your mornings off right. Once you make your way into the owner's suite, you can't help but to feel at ease in this large open bedroom with bay windows allowing for plenty of natural light. Just through the double door entrance is this spacious master bath, which comes complete with a walk-in shower, deep garden tub, double vanities, and a large walk-in closet. This home comes complete with 4 large additional bedrooms upstairs and an optional media room with built-in surround sound inputs for hours of entertainment. Enjoy some fresh air under the large covered patio, which is ready for backyard cookouts and spending time with friends and family. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out about building the Harvard floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.